Hi. So, do you also dream of becoming a doctor in the US? Then this video is specifically for you. Watch this video till end to know the entire process. First things first, after clearing your 12th exams in India, what you need to do is you need to apply for an undergraduate degree in the US in a pre-medical track. What is a pre-medical track? A pre-medical track is one which primarily includes subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. Right? So these are some mandatory courses which you need to study. An example for pre-medical track is you can go for a bachelor's of science degree in biology. There are many pre-medical tracks available, right? So depending on your interest and liking, we can recommend you the right pre-medical track, right? After achieving this, after getting into a good US university for a pre-medical course, which will be for 4 years, it will be an undergraduate degree, right? So that degree standalone will also have a lot of value, right? What you need to do now is you need to start preparing for MCAT exam. What is the MCAT exam? Like you have NEET in India, MCAT is somehow similar but not exactly the same. This exam is taken in the third year or fourth year of your undergraduate degree. MCAT stands for Medical College Admission Test, right? It is conducted from January to September multiple times, and students typically take this exam in their junior year, which is the third year of their undergraduate degree. Once you clear the MCAT exam, let me add one more point here that MCAT exam can be taken multiple times if you're not happy with your score, to a maximum of 7 times, right? So after clearing your MCAT exam, what do? You start applying to medical schools in the US, right? It's a long and tedious process, but with the right guidance, it's possible to get into a very good medical school. Once you are in a medical school, it again is a 4-year journey, right? You will be studying in a medical school for 4 years, and there are 2 major exams that you need to take. They are called USMLE Step 1 and USMLE Step 2. You take the USMLE Step 1 in your second year of your medical school, and you take the USMLE Step 2 in your final year. Right? After clearing the Step 2 and finishing your medical school, you apply for residency. Now, what is residency? It's similar to an internship, a paid internship, which you do in India during your MBBS. Right? It's a paid internship and it's a long paid internship. It's generally from 2 to 7 years, depending on the area of your specialization, right? So you have to finish this residency. After completing the residency, there's one final step which you need to do. That is to apply for the license in the state in which you want to practice. So these were the steps involved in becoming a doctor in the US. You need more personalized guidance. Get in touch with me. I'm always there to help you. Thank you.